Hello guys. Sometimes during the project development in Laravel, we come across a situation when we just want to run a single migration file. For example, let me show you a practical example. Let's create a new uh, model and a table. Okay. This command will create a new task model and a migration file. Okay. As you can see that now, usually to insert the new table into the database, what you do is php artisan migrate. When I run this, okay, you see there is an error. For example, no, you don't want to mess up with the errors. Instead of you are in a hurry and you don't want to fix the errors first, you just want to run the migration file which you had just created. Okay, to run a single migration file, what you can do, php artisan migrate dash dash path. Okay, and then you need this. Okay, and then we had just created this new migration. You can copy the path from here. Okay, copy and paste it here. Remove this bracket, and now the new migration file. Right now, if I show you the database, you can see there is no task table. Okay, once I run this command, it will run the task migration file. Okay, so it says that database migrations file does not exist. So it says that file does not exist at this path. Okay, so something as, let's try another thing. Okay, yeah, we need to make it a forward slash. Okay, the first one is the backslash and the other twos are forward slash. Let's run it again. Now you can see that migration has executed successfully. Okay, now if we refresh this, now you can see the task table. Okay, that's it for today.